Hello class 10th, hope you all are good. Now students, today in this video I am going to continue the same chapter in chemistry, that is your chapter number 2, chemical bonding. In previous video we have discussed about the electrovalent bond and what are electrovalent compounds and what electrovalency, and formation of sodium chloride and magnesium chloride, right? But students, you have to practice only electron dot structures, not atomic structure. You have to practice only electron dot structures of these electrovalent compounds as well as covalent compounds. So today in this video I am going to discuss covalent compounds and covalent bond and covalency, right? And formation of that chlorine molecule, hydrogen molecule, oxygen molecule and nitrogen molecule. Let's start the chapter chemical bonding. Now next is your covalent bond. Now what is covalent bond? The chemical bond formed due to mutual sharing of electrons between the given pairs of atoms of non-metallic element is called a covalent bond. What is it? Actually the bond which are formed by mutual sharing of electrons between the given pairs of atoms, and these atoms may be same or they may be different, right? Let's see how the covalent bonds are formed. Now formation of hydrogen molecule. Hydrogen atomic number, you know, that is 1. Electronic configuration is also 1. And why? Because electrons are how many? 1. So actually hydrogen needs 1 electron to attain stable electronic configuration, just like a nearest noble gas helium. Because helium, you know, what is the atomic number of helium? That is your 2. And electronic configuration is also 2. So what it will do, it will combine with one more atom of hydrogen, and when it then two atoms of hydrogen they combine, what they will do, they just share this one pair of electrons, right? After sharing one pair of this electron, what's happened? They get a stable electronic configuration, means this hydrogen get 2 electrons and this hydrogen also get 2 electrons. So both are having 2 electrons, and that is why now both get stable electronic configuration. And then they form hydrogen molecule of one molecule of hydrogen, right? And by sharing one pair of electrons, so what is formed between these two atoms of hydrogen? That is your single covalent bond is formed. What is formed? Single covalent bond is formed and hydrogen molecule is formed. Okay, now how the electron dot structure of hydrogen molecule is formed? For that, just you know that atom, but the symbol of hydrogen is H. How many electrons are there in its outermost shell? That is your 1 electron, right? This is shown by this star. Then it combined with one more atom of hydrogen and it has also 1 electron, right? So in place of donating 1 electron, it will share 1 electron from other hydrogen atom. Now this hydrogen having 2 electrons, right? And this electron is also shared by this hydrogen atom. So we use this circle, means this hydrogen also having 2 electron and this hydrogen also having 2 electron. And then after sharing one pair of electrons, you will show it with like this, right? Or one single covalent bond is formed. What is formed? Single covalent bond is formed and it forms hydrogen molecule. And what it is called? This is called what? Single covalent bond, right? So how the hydrogen molecule is formed? By sharing of one pair of electrons. So you will show what this electron dot structure of a hydrogen molecule in this way, right? Now next is your formation of chlorine molecule. Look at the electron dot structure of chlorine molecule. You know chlorine, well, how many valency electrons are there? 7, because electronic configuration is 2, 8, 7, right? And this chlorine atom also has 7 valency electron. So what they will do, they share one pair of electrons. So sharing is shown by like this. Right, now this chlorine atom has how many? Now it become 8 electrons. So it get stable electronic configuration. This chlorine atom also get 1 electron. It share 1 electron. So it also get 8 electron and have stable electronic configuration. So both are having what? 8 electrons and get stable electronic configuration. And then because they share one pair of electrons, so they form single covalent bond between two atoms of chlorine and form one molecule of chlorine, right? Now next is your formation of oxygen molecule. Oxygen atomic number is 8, electrons how many? 8, and electronic configuration 2, 6. So oxygen need how many electrons to get a stable electronic configuration? 2 electrons. So what they will do? They share 2 pair of electrons. Now here just see both the atoms of oxygen, they have 8 electrons now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And this atom of oxygen also has 8 electron. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So both the atoms get stable electronic configuration and then they form one molecule of oxygen. And because as they share 2 pair of electrons, so double covalent bond is formed between 2 atoms of oxygen and then they form one molecule of oxygen. Now let's see how the electron dot structure of oxygen molecule is formed. Oxygen symbol is O. Valency electron, how many? 6 are there. So you will show 1, 2, 3, 4. It combined with another atom of oxygen and it has also 6 electrons. This oxygen atom needs how many electrons? 2 electrons. So it will share these 2 electrons and get stable electronic configuration. This atom also needs 2 electrons, so it will share these 2 electrons and form what? Oxygen molecule. So how you will show it? Oxygen now you will show this oxygen molecule like this, and as 2 pair of electrons are shared, so double covalent bond is formed between 2 atoms of oxygen, right, and form one molecule of oxygen. Okay, now next is your formation of nitrogen molecule. How the nitrogen molecule is formed? You know nitrogen atomic number is 7. Electrons how many? 7. So electronic configuration it would be 2, 5, right? So it has how many valence electron? 5 valence electron, and it needs how many? To get a stable electronic configuration, it needs 3 electrons to get a stable electronic configuration, right? So that it become 2, 8. So what it will do? It will share 3 pair of electrons. Here nitrogen atom have showing 5 valency electron, right? This nitrogen atom also showing what? 5 valency electron. And what they will do? They share these 3 pair of electrons and form triple covalent bond between 2 atoms of nitrogen. See how the electron dot structure of nitrogen molecule is formed. You know nitrogen symbol is N. How many valence electrons are there? 7. So what it will do? It will you will show 3 electrons one side and 2 electrons one side, right? And then it combined with another atom of nitrogen and here also you will show the same way, 3 electrons one side and 2 electrons other side, right? Now what this nitrogen will do, it will share these 3 electrons from this nitrogen atom. This now it has 8 electrons, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now this nitrogen atom also share 3 electrons from another nitrogen atom, and it has also 8 electrons, and they form what, just how you show, both are having 8 electrons, and because 3 pair of electrons are shared, so you will show 3 bonds between 2 atoms of nitrogen, and what they are, triple covalent bond. So triple covalent bond is formed between 2 atoms of nitrogen and form 1 molecule of nitrogen. Understood? Right. Next is your formation of carbon tetrachloride. Carbon tetrachloride is formed by when carbon combined with what, chlorine. Carbon atomic number is 6 and its symbol is C. So electronic configuration 2 4. It needs how many electrons to get a stable electronic configuration? It needs how many? 4, right? Here then when it combined with chlorine, chlorine symbol is Cl and electronic configuration atomic number 17. So electronic configuration 287. Carbon needs 4 electrons to attain stable octet, but chlorine needs only 1 electron to attain stable octet. So carbon combined with 4 atoms of chlorine, right? So that it can share 4 electrons pairs with 1 each of the 4 atoms of chlorine. Now just look at here how the electron dot structure of carbon tetrachloride is formed. You wish just look at here, this carbon has how many valence electron? 4. So you will show these 4 valency electron with this cross. Then it will combine with 4 atoms of chlorine, electrons of chlorine with dot. So chlorine has 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 valency electron, right? Then this chlorine also having 7 valence electron, and this third chlorine atom also has 7 valency electron, and this fourth chlorine atom also has 7 valency electron. So what's happened? This carbon, it combined with or share with these 4 electrons, right? 1 each of the 4 atoms of chlorine, right? And get 8 electrons. Just look at here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Understood? Now, and each chlorine atom, it shared 1 electron with carbon. Now it get 8 electrons. This chlorine also share this 1 electron and get 8 electrons. This chlorine atom also shared this 1 electron of carbon and get 8 electrons. In the same way, this 4th atom of chlorine also shared 1 electron from carbon and get 8 electrons. So all these 5 atoms, they get stable electronic configuration, and now then you can show it like this also, right? And as you have just seen here that carbon atom shares 4 electron pairs. So 4, how many covalent bonds are formed? 4 single covalent bonds are formed. How many single covalent bonds are formed? 4 single covalent bonds are formed. You will not say them covalent bond. What you will say here, 4 single covalent bonds are formed when carbon tetrachloride molecule is formed. So carbon tetrachloride is a covalent compound. Why? Because it is formed by sharing of electrons. So the question is, what do you mean by covalent compound? Covalent compound, it is it is a chemical compound formed due to mutual sharing of electrons between the given pairs of atoms, thereby forming a covalent bond between them. Understood? The compound which is formed by mutual sharing of electrons between the given pairs of atom form a covalent compound, right? Next is your covalency. What is covalency? The number of electron pairs which an atom shares with one or more atoms of the same or different kind to achieve stable electronic configuration is called what? Covalency. What are you saying? What is covalency? The number of electrons pairs which an atom shares with one or more atoms of the same or different kind to achieve stable electronic configuration is called covalency. Understood? Okay, thank you children.